Okay, this is Mrs. Ames and Emily Ames, and once again we're doing yet another combination for Broadway rhythm in Singin' in the Rain. The next one starts with a buffalo, and just to review what a buffalo is, we're going to jump, shuffle, jump. So here's what a buffalo looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember to bring that foot crossed in front of the body on the second jump. Watch where Emily's right foot ends up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next sequence we're going to do is jump, shuffle, jump, step, scuff, hop, step, bend, turn, down. So let's take that a little bit of it at a time. We're going to start with the buffalo, which is jump, shuffle, jump, step, scuff, hop, step. We'll do just that much. 5, 6, here she goes. Jump, shuffle, jump, step. Okay, one more time at that same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, shuffle, jump, step, scuff, hop, step. After that, she's going to bend into a plie, turn, down, and when you do that, her hands will go forward into like a stop. Okay, let's do that whole sequence. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And even faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And turn,